ओके सर, बस फोकस इधर रखिएगा। कौन सा क्लास है? वो अभी हटेगा सर। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है इसमें जो हमें पता नहीं लगती है, अभी देख भी नहीं पा रहे हैं ना ये। ओके, कृषांशु कुमार, कृषांशु, गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट।
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
संस्कार। Okay, okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. And now we start. Now start.
Good morning, sir.
Yesterday, yeah, okay, good morning. Yesterday, I will give you some question of the exercise 1.3. 1.3. How many questions I'll give you? How many questions I will give you? Yesterday, how many
Question
questions?
first.
Question first. Question number second also given. The first part of the question second, I solve it, but the second part, I will give you, you have solved. Can you solve this question?
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड का हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट कर दिया था और आपको कहा था कि इसका सेकंड पार्ट आप लोग स्वयं करेंगे, तो आप लोगों ने ये कर लिया है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can go to the next question. Question number third. Question number third. Question number third. Question number third. Please don't make a noise. Please.
Sir, unmute मत करिए.
आवाज मत करिए, साइलेंट रहिए.
Yes.
Be careful. Look at here. Look at here. The question number third. The first part, for any integer, for any integer, who makes the sound? Sound बजा रहा है. Please mute your voice. सभी लोग अपनी आवाज को म्यूट करिए. गुड मॉर्निंग. ओके, सभी बच्चे अपनी वॉइस, अपने साउंड को म्यूट करिए. रोहित, म्यूट योर वॉइस.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? For any integer, you come there. for any integer a, what is minus 1 minus 1? Our solution is minus 1 into a and is equal to minus plus minus. म्यूट करिए
सर
सर को बोलिए.
सर अनम्यूट कर दीजिए.
ओके ओके ओके, थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर. गुड मॉर्निंग.
सर कॉल म्यूट कर दीजिए.
लपक जी. संस्कार.
म्यूट कॉल.
संस्कार.
सब म्यूट करिए सब बच्चों को. म्यूट करिए बच्चों को.
गुड मॉर्निंग. थैंक्स सर.
सर 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 म्यूट द साउंड. सर म्यूट द साउंड.
आवाज आ रही है?
सर बाय सर. सर यू स्टडी चैप्टर.
ओके okay 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 okay. Now our solution is, if we multiply minus 1 into a, minus, here is plus, minus plus minus, and a is multiplied by 1, or any number is multiplied by 1, the number comes itself. That means the number comes a, and that is our answer. Minus a. Minus 1 multiplied by a is equal to minus a. This is our answer. Now the second part, determine the integer whose product, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is the first part a minus 22, the product of minus 22 by minus 1, then our solution is minus 22 multiply by minus 1. First we multiply both the sign. Minus minus comes plus. We cannot, if you show plus, or we cannot show plus, because if there is no sign on the number, sign always be positive, and 22 multiplied by 1, the number comes itself. Also we write 22, and that is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Similarly, if you multiply minus 22 into, if you multiply 0 by minus 1, if any number multiply by 0, the value always comes 0, and this is our answer. Okay, any problem? And the B part, you have done it. You have done the B part of this question. Now we go to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Start from minus 1 into 5 and Write the various products showing the same pattern to show up to -1 into -1 equal 1. You show the same pattern. That means first we start, this is our solution is solution, and this number is decreasing order because we go to -1. Here both the number are same. We multiply the number by -1, all the numbers, but start from 5 and up to -1. That means your number will decrease, and applying the same pattern. So first we write -1 into 4, -1 into 4, it comes -4, -1 into 3, it comes -3, -1 into 2, it comes -2, -1 into 1, it comes -1. Same pattern we follow. -1 into 0, it comes 0. And -1 into -1. If the number is negative, then you write in the bracket form. Though both two sign cannot along with each other, therefore, if the number is negative, we write in the bracket, and it comes minus minus plus plus 1, and it is equal to plus 1, and that is our the pattern. That is our the pattern we follow, and that is our answer. Okay, any problem? Now we start the question number 5th. Question number 5th, can I erase it? Now, question number 5th. Find the product. Find the product using suitable properties. And you know, properties are you know, commutative property, closure property, associative property, identity, inverse, and distributive law. Your distributive property. Those property, it is applicable on the question, we apply those property. Now, in the first question, the part A of the question, 26 into -48 plus -48 into -36. Now look at this question. -48 comes that side. -48 are common in both the terms. These are the terms. Terms are divided plus and minus. Therefore, in this question, there are two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. And -48 common in both the term. Now we apply the distributive property. -48 common, -48 is common, and left, what is the number be left? 26 plus, and this number be left. This number be common. The here is number 1 be left there, and 1 multiplied by each and every number, the number comes itself. Therefore, there is 26, and here is -36, and bracket be closed. Okay, bracket be closed. And now write those property you have used, you have write at the right side of this number, using distributive property. Okay, using distributive property. Now first we open this sign, minus 48. First we open this bracket, 26 plus minus minus 36. And now you subtract, this number be positive, this number be negative, number always be positive, subtracted, but the sign, those number looking bigger, those signs becomes there. Now minus 48 into, and it comes minus 10, and two sign cannot along with each other, then we put in the bracket. Okay, minus 10, and then we multiply both the numbers, minus minus plus, and 4 8, and we put the 0, because 1 multiplied by 48 comes 48 and 0 comes there. Your answer is 480. That means using property, we are very easily solve the problems. Okay, okay. Sumit Tiwari, can you heard my voice? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. समझ में आया आपको? Okay, it is clear. Okay, now my next question B, question number B will be 8 into 53 into minus 125. Now look at this question. If the number 8, if multiplied by 125, the value always comes 1000. Now first we change the place, and which property we change the place? Which property we use change the place? Commutative property. The commutative property say, if we change the place, no change in the value. No change in the value. In the multiplication, commutative property is applicable. Therefore, we use the commutative property 8 along with minus 125, and then we multiply by 53, and we write using commutative property. Commutative property. I will use here. I will use the property commutative, because the third place number we shifted at the second place. Now this number, it comes minus plus minus minus 1000 and multiply by 53. And any number you multiply by 1000, you easily, very easily you multiply. First you multiply by the 1, by the number, but here first we multiply the sign, plus minus minus. 1 multiplied by 53 is come 53, and count 0. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. Put 3 zeros at the end of this number, and that is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Any problem? No. Now this part you have completed. This part you have completed. Krishanshu, complete कर लिए? Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Now the C part. C part is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Minus 10. Now we look at here. We multiply both the numbers, and this number we multiply by this number. Now we arrange the numbers by commutative property. Minus 25 into minus 4 into 15 into minus 10. And now two pairs we have multiply by commutative property by commutative property. Commutative property is applicable on multiplication. Minus minus plus, and 25 fours are 100 into plus minus minus. If the number is negative, you always put in the bracket, and 15 ones are 15 and 0 comes there. Okay? Then plus minus minus, 15 ones are 15, and count the zeros. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. You put 3 zeros there. 2, 3. And that is our answer. That means our conclusion is, using the property, we have very easily solved the problem. Okay? Sanskar Singh, where is Sanskar? Who is Sanskar? Sanskar, who is along with you? आपके पास कौन बैठा है? Who is along with you? Okay. Minus 15,000. Okay. Now D part of this question. D part of this question. D part of this question, minus 41 into 102. Now, in this part, we break this number, 100 plus 2 minus 41 into 100 plus 2, and using multiplication over addition, Sanskar, be careful. Sanskar Singh, why are you laughing? Be careful. Now, minus 41 distribute both the terms by distributive law, and this distribute multiplication over addition. I will write minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41. This number distribute both the terms into 2. Okay? Then open the brackets, minus plus minus, and 41 ones are 41, and here is 20. We put there 2 zeros. Then again we open this bracket, minus plus minus, 41 twos are 82. We write 82, and both the sign are same. Number always be add, but the sign comes itself. जब साइन सेम होते हैं तो नंबर हमेशा जुड़ेगा, लेकिन जो साइन होगा वही आएगा. यहां साइन नेगेटिव है तो आपके आंसर भी नेगेटिव में आएगा, बट नंबर भी ऐड. तो 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 8 8, 1 4, and that is our answer. And now we use here distributive property. You write here distributive property. Okay, I cannot left this property. I can't write here. You have write distributive property. Okay, सुमित त्रिपाठी, समझ में आया? सुमित समझ में आया? Raise your hand. आया? Once again we break the number 100 plus 2, and we apply the property, distributive property. This number, that means the minus 41 distribute both the terms, minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2, and we open the bracket, plus minus minus, 41 1 ja 41 and comes to 0, plus minus minus, 41 2 ja 82, and both the sign are same number we add, and our answer is 4182. Okay? Okay? Any problem? Now, the E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H, you have complete in your homework copy. Okay? Okay? हाथ खड़ा करिए. Raise your hand. Okay. Now go to the next question. Next question. Can I erase it? Can I erase it? मिटा दे? Now the question number 6. Question number 6. And we apply problem-based question. We apply the properties. We apply these properties. Problem-based questions. The problem is a certain freezing process requires. Look at your book and read the question number 6. Please look at your book. Look at your book and read the question number 6. A certain freezing process required that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate for 5 degrees Celsius each hour. That means our room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. At 40 degrees Celsius, the room temperature be lowered. That means decreased. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? The process begin. If the temperature be decreased, we use the symbol sign of integer plus or a minus. Sanskar? If the temperature be decreased, in integer we always shows the sign negative. If the temperature be increased, the sign always be positive. Now we start the solution of this question. Solution of this question is, now look at here, I will show the diagram. Let's suppose this room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, and this temperature, each and every hour, the temperature be decreased, and each hour our temperature be decreased 5 degrees Celsius. So now my first statement is the room temperature is the room temperature is that means equal 40 degrees Celsius. This is the room temperature, and this temperature decreasing the temperature each hour. And what will be the room temperature after 10 hours? So temperature decreased after 10 hours. Temperature decreased after 10 hours is 10 hours, and every hour the rate is 5 degrees Celsius. So 10 into 5 degrees Celsius, and the temperature be decreases, we show the sign, we show the integer minus, we show the integer minus. That means 10 5s are 50 degrees Celsius. That means your temperature will decrease minus 50 degrees Celsius in 10 hours. what will be the room temperature? Now we find the room temperature after 10 hours. So now we write the statement. Therefore, room temperature after room temperature be after 10 hours is that means equal, and we add both the temperature decrease at 40 degrees Celsius. So we add both the temperature 40 degrees Celsius plus minus 50 degrees Celsius. And now we open this number 40 degrees Celsius plus minus and 50 degrees Celsius. Now look at here, this number looking bigger and his signs be negative, your answer always comes negative. That means we put the sign minus and both the sign are opposite, number always be subtracted. 50 minus 40 is come 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, our room temperature after 10 hours is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay? Okay? And that is our answer. That is our answer. Any problem? Krishanshu? Krishanshu? Can you heard my voice? नहीं आया समझ में? नहीं आया? 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 Then once again we revise. एक बार हम इसको हिंदी में आपको समझाते हैं. क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस से आपका रूम टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज करता है और रेट दिया गया है ईच एंड एवरी आवर टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज करता है 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट आवर स्टेटमेंट इज द रूम टेम्परेचर इज 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस फर्स्ट. देन सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट वी फाइंड how many temperature will decrease after 10 hours. So we write here temperature decrease after 10 hours minus we use for decreasing. In integer, if the temperature decrease, you always show the simple sign minus 10 into 5. Okay, how many hours? 10 multiplied by 5, it comes minus 50 degrees Celsius. My temperature will decrease minus 50 degrees Celsius. What is the room temperature? Both the temperature you add. Room temperature be after 10 hours is 40 degrees Celsius plus minus this is our minus negative integer minus 50 degrees Celsius. 40 minus 50, that comes minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, now tomorrow we start question number 7, and today's your homework is you complete 1 to 6 question in your homework copy. Okay, okay, your homework is up to 6 you have complete in your homework copy. Okay sir, एक मिनट साउंड अब खोलिए, थोड़ा म्यूट हटा दीजिए, अनम्यूट कर दीजिए. अब बच्चों से पूछ लो,
Sir.
Yes. Yes, ask me.
Yes.
One by one.
Sir. Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, class. Sir, question 6 फिर से बता दीजिए.
क्वेश्चन जो 6 है, अभी हमने समझा है कि रूम टेम्परेचर जो है 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस से डिक्रीज करता है और इंटीजर में हम हमेशा माइनस साइन से शो करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो हम रूम का टेम्परेचर लिखेंगे. तो रूम का टेम्परेचर 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. ईच एंड एवरी आवर टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज हो रहा है 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस और कितने आवर दे रखे हैं? 10 आवर्स. तो 10 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, माइनस साइन यूज. हाँ बोलिए. यस टेल मी.
हाँ मेरी तरफ सर.
वन बाय वन. हाँ बोलो. यस टेल मी. Please tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning.
Hello, sir.
श्रुति.
Hello.
हाँ बोलिए. श्रुति.
Hello,
Hello. Yes, I listen.
sir.
Sir, please tell me.
Sir, how many properties are there in
I discuss six
teacher?
property. I will discuss six property. First property is closure. Second property is commutative. Third property is associative. Fourth property is identity. Fifth property is inverse, and sixth property is distributive. I will discuss six properties.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Sir,
Okay.
please explain me second question B part.
Which question?
Second question.
B part.
You have done. You take using the property, and this is the distributive property. Distributive both the numbers, and you have solved both the sides. Both the sides comes equal. Both the sides comes equal because multiplication over addition, and this is the distributive property. You apply this property, your answer comes LHS equal to RHS. Now you solve. Okay. Tomorrow you solve it. Now tomorrow, if you cannot solve this problem, tomorrow you ask, I am solved on the board. Yes, next.
Thank you, sir.
Next boy. Nishanshu?
Bye, sir.
निशांशु आवाज आ रही है? हाँ बोलिए.
Bye, sir.
बाय. ओके.
Bye, sir.
हाँ बाय. यस.
Bye, sir.
ओके. निशांशु कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
नो सर.
No, sir.
ठीक है.
सर इसको लिखना है कॉपी में.
हाँ बिल्कुल कॉपी में. यू कंप्लीट इन योर होमवर्क कॉपी. और समझ में आया हमारा पढ़ाया हुआ?
Yes, sir.
ठीक लगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now okay.
Sir.
Now next
Sir.
tomorrow we discuss.
संस्कार.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
संस्कार.
Bye, sir.
संस्कार.
Bye.
संस्कार. संस्कार.
Thank you, sir. Bye.